COVID-19 daily cases continue to rise in the country along with deaths. In last 24 hours, more than 73,000 cases and 900 deaths were reported. The rains will continue to lash Goa for the next few days. Met Office says heavy rainfall accompanied by thunderstorm will hit state till 13th of October. Union Jal Shakti Minister says Goa has become first state in the country to provide 100% tap water in rural areas. Congress, however, says there are many households without tap water connections. Hello and welcome. I am Brian Sequeira. Now the news in detail. The rains will continue lashing Goa for coming few days. Heavy rainfall accompanied by thunderstorm will prevail in Goa till 13th of October. Goa will witness 6 centimeters to 12 centimeters of rainfall at isolated places, said IMD.
Goa was drenched by heavy rainfall on Saturday morning. The same rainfall will continue till Tuesday, October 13th. A low pressure area in Bay of Bengal is reason behind it. Fishermen are advised not to venture into the sea. Watch.
All the rainfall stations over Goa reported rainfall today, and we recorded widespread activity of rainfall and thunder shower on 10th of October. Basic reason for this increase in activity is the formation of a low pressure area, which is now in the form of a well marked low pressure area over east central and southwest Bay of Bengal. So in the coming days, this system is going to intensify and move towards Andhra Pradesh coast. In the presence of this system, the wind pattern over Goa is in a form that moisture incursion is taking place over Goa from Bay of Bengal and the mid-tropospheric levels and lower levels from Arabian Sea. So this induces thunderstorm formation, and rainfall accompanied with lightning is taking place over Goa, and it is going to continue for around 3 to 4 more days. So today morning the same thing happened, that the rainfall associated with thunder was taking place because of a similar moisture incursion which took place over Goa, and thunderstorm clouds were formed. IMD has issued a thunderstorm warning. That means rainfall accompanied with lightning and thunder is going to be there for 4 days starting from 10th of October. Apart from that, the activity will be highest when the well marked low pressure system, which was just mentioned, is going to reach up to Andhra Pradesh coast. At that time, that is on 12th and 13th, we can expect even isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall. That means rainfall exceeding 12 centimeters is likely at 1 or 2 places over Goa on 12th of October. Other days such as 10th, 11th and 13th, there is possibility of heavy rainfall, that is rainfall exceeding 6 centimeters in 24 hours. System is near the Andhra coast. We are expecting that the squally weather, that means winds with speed of 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, is going to be there over South Maharashtra and Goa coast. So fishermen are requested not to venture into these areas on 12th, 13th and 14th of October.
Samip Narwekar for Goa 365.
Goa 365 has kept on highlighting the state of Goan roads. The nightmare of deteriorated roads due to laying of sewage pipeline is once again haunting Kalangut Baga locals. The substandard work of road construction after the laying of pipeline has led to road sinking at many places. And these huge manholes on the road are set to welcome tourists to the coastal belt.
Goa 365 has been highlighting the bad roads across the country. Our coverage has also created an impact, forcing authorities to repair the roads. The roads were repaired after laying down the pipelines. However, after few days, the roads developed sinkholes. The roads have been caved in many places. Look at the sinkhole near the government high school in Baga. This is the sinkhole opposite the sewage treatment plant in Baga. The sinkhole was later buried by the locals by dumping debris into it. Few months back, the road was carved in near the Our Lady of Piety Chapel and Milky Way in Khobravado and in Sauntavado. The road has sunk even further, creating huge manholes. The holes were later buried by the authorities. While in Goa gets to see good quality and long-lasting roads, when will this happen? This is one of the questions that everyone have been questioning and asking in Goa. Some of the holes on the roads are 2 meters wide and even 3 meters deep. It is Samim Narvikar for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Goa has become the first state in the country to provide 100% tap water connections in rural areas, covering 2.3 lakh households, Jal Shakti Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat has announced. However, Congress called this announcement of the minister a jumla. They have dared Shekhawat to come to Goa and said that the Congress will show many households without tap water connections.
Goa has earned itself the unique distinction of becoming first Har Ghar Jal state in the country, as it's said to have successfully provided 100% functional household tap connections in the rural areas, Jal Shakti Ministry had said in statement. Chief Minister Pramod Sawant had shared this news during the function to announce a home distribution isolation kit. Congress North Goa President Vijay BK reacted to the news by tweeting Jumla politics on high with taps going dry. People in the villages still depend on the wells or nearby rivulets for daily consumption of water, he alleged. People in urban areas suffer as their taps go dry for weeks. Listen.
गोंयान 100% लोकांक नळ पावल्या हे आयज सरकारान जाहीर केला. अभिमानाची गोष्ट आमकां दिसता की गोंयान 100% लोकांक नळ मेळ्ळा. पण सत्य परिस्थिती गोंयची अशी ना. सत्य परिस्थिती अशी आसा की गोंयान आयजूय खुबशा गांवांनी खुबशा गांवगिऱ्या वाठारांनी लोकांक टॅप वॉटर ना. खुबशा लोकांक आयजूय शहरान रावपी सिटीन रावपी लोकांक 2 वरां 1 वर अशें उदक येना दिसाक. जेन्ना पासून हे मोदी सरकार येयला तेन्ना पासून ह्या मोदी सरकारान फक्त जुमलेबाजी केल्ली आसा आनी हे जुमलेबाजी करून लोकांक फटयत आसा. हे लोकांक ओके आश्वासनां दिता आनी आपणाचे ते फक्त दाखोवन दिवंक सोदता की सगळे इंडियन थाकटीक आसा. पण वास्तवीक ह्या गोंयान जे लोकांक त्रास आसा ते दिश्टी पडटा. हांव ओपन चॅलेंज करता जो केंद्रीय जल शक्ती मंत्री आसा तेका की तेणी गोंयान येवचो आनी हांव तेका स्वता तेका भोंवून दाखयता की कितल्या घरांनी नळ अजुनूय ना, कितल्या लोकांक अजुनूय उदक मेळना, कितले लोक उदकाक लागून त्रासान आसा हे हांव तेका दाखोवंक शकता. सो गोंयच्या सरकारान ही बोगस ही सर्वे करून लोकांची दिशाभूल करचे न्हू. एक सरकार बरें चलता अशें दाखोवपाक हे बेगडी हे तेंची प्रसिद्धी ही बेगडी नाटक हे तेंच्यांनी बंद करचे. जे फेक इंडिया तेंच्यांनी मिशन चालू केला हे फेक इंडिया मिशन तेंच्यांनी बंद करचे आनी जे खरें जे चित्र आसा गोंयचे आनी देशाचे ते लोकां मुखार हाडचे. लोकांक बेश्टेच हे 100% लोकांक नळ येता, नळाचे उदक येता. आयज उदक लोकांक शहरांच्या लोकांक मेळना, गांवगिऱ्या लोकांचे सोडूनच दियात.
Samip Narvikar for Goa 365 from Panaji.
Following Friday's incident of ammonia gas leak at the Kunkoli Industrial Estate, locals, along with some councillors, have questioned the safety measures followed by these companies. They have demanded that the Department of Factories and Boilers keep a close watch. Meanwhile, the Kunkoli police have filed an FIR against Quality Foods under Section 304 and 337 of the IPC on Saturday in connection with the incident.
On Friday afternoon, due to ammonia gas leakage at Inquality Food Processing Unit at Kunkulam Industrial Estate, a 25-year-old person lost his life, along with other 4 workers who are critical and undergoing treatment.
पूण तूं जेन्ना पळय गॅस लीक जाली ते खंयच्यान जावपाचें एसेंबल खंय जावपाचें ही सेफ्टी ड्रिल्स करपाक जाय. हे फॅक्टरी तांकां शिकयता काय हे गॅसीचे बद्दल, तांचे कडेन आतां फर्स्ट एड कोर्स आसा काय ना म्हणटा तें पळोवपाक जाय. तुमी जर आतां म्हणटा जाल्यार अशी गॅस लीक जाली म्हणून जाल्यार म्हाका तरी दिसता आतां तो सेफ्टी ऑडिट जालोच ना. बिकॉज somebody should have seen whether the valves are okay or not, whether there was a valve leakage or whether the pipe is broken or whether the pipe is tempered by somebody. जाल्यार तें पळोवपाक जाय आशिल्लें. सो हे सेफ्टी ऑडिट म्हणटा तें सगळें म्हत्वाचें. दुसरें तूं ताचो जर पळोवपाक गेलो जायत जाल्यार एके वटेन तुका टांकी आसा, दुसरे वटेन दुसरे फॅक्टरीचे लोक थंय रावतात ते आतां सामान घेवन काल भायर सरल्यात थंयच्यान. नाव इतले लागीं रूम कशे घातले बिकॉज ते टांकी कडच्यान गॅस लीक जाली जाय ती तांकां एफेक्ट जातली आनी आमोनिया गॅस म्हणटा ती आमची कुकिंग गॅसा भशेन हेवी न्ही, ती सेटल जायना. ती कमीचे कमी 3 फीट सुमार वयर फ्लोट जाता. म्हणजे तूं गॅसींतल्यान पास जातलो तुका क्रॉलिंग करून वयचें पडटा. दीज आर इम्पॉर्टंट फिचर्स. म्हणजे हे सगळे आमी लोकांक शिकोवपाक म्हणजे ताजे लागीं दुसरे कंपनीन रूम कशे बांदले आनी रूम बांदपाक तांकां परमिशन कोणें दितलो तें अगेन सेफ्टी एंड फॅक्टरीज एंड बॉयलर्स तेमी शिकोवपाक जाय किंवा फर्स्ट एड करता तेमी शिकोवपाक जाय. सो ह्यो गोश्टी ज्यो पळय आसा कंपनी जेन्ना पळय कळना तशें मागीर आमगेले लोक मारतात. आतां टांकी दुसऱ्याची फॅक्टरी दुसऱ्याची गॅस येवडच्यान लीक जाली आनी दुसरोच मनीस मेलो अशें जावनाय. हेका लागून आमकां सेफ्टीचे बद्दल हे फॅक्टरी फुडें आसात सगळ्यो आमचे कुंकली इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट. सम ऑफ देम आर हायली पोल्युटींग इंडस्ट्रीज, सम ऑफ देम आर क्लोज, दॅट इज फायन, अँड सम ऑफ देम हॅव लेफ्ट दॅट पोल्युटंट्स देर ओनली अँड दे हॅव गॉन. आमी कुंकळकारांनी जे तेंपार आमी एकठांय जावन झगडटाले तशेंच आनी एक जाण म्हाका दिसता तरी आमी तातूंत पांय घालचो पडटलो.
भितर क्वॉलिटी फूड्स ह्या कंपनीक अमोनिया गॅस लिकेज जाली आनी ताच्या सायडीन आशिल्लो प्लांटांतलो 5 जाण वर्कर इंजर्ड जाले. तातूंतलो एक जो वर्कर आशिल्लो हो एक्सपायर्ड जालो. तातूंतले 3 जाण जे एम्प्लॉईज आसात ते बांबोली हॉस्पिटलांत एडमीट आसात आनी ते सिरियस कंडिशनां आसात. तातूंतले 2 जे वर्कर आसात हे प्रायवेट हॉस्पिटलांत एडमीट आसात. तांचे बी कंडिशन सामके सिरियस आसा. अशे हे जे इन्सिडंट आज कुंकळी इंडस्ट्रियल स्टेटी भितर घडला अशे पयलीं बी कितलेशे इन्सिडंट घडला आनी ताका लागून कितले वर्कराक आपलो प्राण गमोवचो पडलो. सो आयज आमी कुंकळकार डिमांड करतात की हे जे इन्सिडंट अशे जे आमच्या गांवांत घडटात हे जावपाक जायना, कारण हेतूंत सेफ्टी मेजर्स कांय ना. आयज आमी डिमांड करतात की आमकां फायर स्टेशन जाय म्हणून. कित्याक फाटले 6 म्हयन्या पयलीं बोट क्राफ्ट ही एक कंपनी आशिल्ली ती लासून गबर जाली. फायर ब्रिगेड मडगांव सावन कुंकळी पावता म्हणल्यार. सो अशे कितलेशे आमचे डिमांड आसात जे अजुनूय फुलफील जाले ना. सो आमी गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन मागतात की जाता तितले बेगीन ह्या कुंकळी इंडस्ट्रियल स्टेटी भितर आमकां फायर स्टेशन सेटअप करून दिवचें. आनी फाटल्या फावटी आमकां सीएमान सुद्दां आश्वासन दिल्लें.
It is Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 in Konkolim.
Karmali Farmers Committee meeting is scheduled on Monday. However, a section of farmers have resolved not to allow elections, alleging that the current committee is involved in corruption and do whatever they want. They will be forced to take matters in their own hands if committee is appointed forcefully.
Dado Khazan Tenant Association is the committee of Karambolim farmers. There are 300 farmers in Karambolim. 90% of them are not alive, but their heirs are carrying their legacy forward. They want the names of their family members to be included in the tenant list, and they demand that they should be given right to cultivate their fields. However, the current committee is adamant on not allowing that. This is what the farmers have alleged. Listen to what they have to say.
विदाउट प्रोसिजर जर गावचे इलेक्शन जर जाता जाय हांगासरले जे फार्मर आसा ते सगळे जाणां ऑब्जेक्शन हाडटले इलेक्शन
जो घोषित केला आम्ही कितें करतले आम्ही इलेक्शन बंद दवरतले पुलीस बाय फोर्स टू द मिनिस्टरचे ही जो आयज मिनिस्टर आसा तेजो फोर्स घेवन पब्लिकेक भायर धाडटा आनी तो पुलीस जबाबदारी आम्ही गांवकारांनी येवन तांकां मारून घरा कडेन धांवयले आनी घरा कडेन तेंच्यांनी भितरल्या भितर बसून कमिटी काडली 5 वर्सां पयलीं ही कमिटी आसली ती अजून पर्यंत तेच चलयता हांगासरूच ते कमिटी बसून काडटाले आमी शेतकारांनी तांकां मारून घरा धांवयले आनी तेंच्यांनी घरा बसून ती कमिटी काडली हे शेतकारांक कोणाकूच खबर ना आनी तेंच्यांनी नांवां घातली आनी अजून पर्यंत थंय कमिटी तेच मानून काडटा तेच नुस्तें मारता परत ते तर हांगा कमिटी काडटले शेतकार अशेंच तांकां मारून घरा धांवयतले
तर म्हाजी इलेक्शन घे आनी सपोज जर इलेक्शन जालें फाल्यां सोमरा
लोक तशेंच ओगी रावचे ना. लॉ एंड ऑर्डर मागीर मामलेदार आसा. ही आतां 70 लाखाची पावणी गेला न्ही, 70 लाखाची. कितल्या हिशोबा, कोणाच्या हिशोबा? हेचे पयले शेतकार नासतना कोणी जर पयशे घाल्ले तेंच्यांनी कोणाक वाटला, कोणाक वाटले सांगा, कोणाक हे पयशे दिला? एका वाटता मिनिस्टर वाटता, हेजो वाटता प्रेशर
नावां घालची म्हणून आमी हे मामलेदारा कडेन दिल्ली आसा. हे मेमोरेबल ही नावां एड करची.
टोटल कितली नावां आसा तुमची?
300 नावां आसा. आमी 240 नावां दिला. सगळे डॉक्युमेंट आमी हे सगळे डॉक्युमेंट दिल्ले आसा. आमची नावां ह्या मेंबर लिस्टान एड करचे म्हणून. पूण आजून पर्यंत हे कित्याक करिना.
लोकांक खरें म्हणलें जाल्यार आंदोलन करपाक नाका, बरे भशेन सगळे सरकारा पर्यंत पळोवपाक जाय म्हणून आज हे लोक जमा जाल्या. आनी लोक इशारा दिवपाक सोदता की जर तुमी सोमारा बाय फोर्स जर इलेक्शन केलें जाल्यार हे लोक कितें करतले ते सांगपाक जायना. मागीर म्हणपाचें ना सरकारान की लोक आंदोलन करतात म्हणून. हे लोक आज आमी कित्याक घेतल्या की सरकारा पर्यंत एक कळोनी आनी सोमारा इलेक्शन बंद.
पण कोर्टान आजून पासून डिसिजन दिवना न्हू.
कोर्टान जी ऑर्डर दिल्या, हायकोर्टान जी ऑर्डर दिल्या ते फिलअप करा मरे पयलीं. ते पयलीं करा न्हू. शेत तुमकां इलेक्शन घेवपाची इतली उमेद कित्याक? इतली उमेद तुमकां कित्याक?
माझे मागणें इतकें की ह्या कमिटीन डिमार्केशन करून घेवचें. शेतकारांक रोवपाक दिवचें. कमिटीन मानशेकारांचे उठच्यान रावचें न्हय. मानशेकार जे पावणे हाडटा तेंच्यांनी सुद्दां चिंतपाक जाय आपुणूय बाबा हे खावचें. ह्या शेतकारांच्या पोटार आड येवचें न्ही आमी. म्हणून म्हाका ह्या कमिटीन जे शेतकार आसा तेंची नांवां ऍड करून घेवची. जाय जाल्यार तुमी तेंचे प्रूफ घ्या आनी तुमी तेंचे नांवां ऍड करून घ्या. 114 फॉर्माचेर टेनंट एसोसिएशनान नांव घालाय. आनी आज जो शेतकऱ्यांनी एकूट दाखयला असो एकूट दाखया. आनी हो एकूट सरकारा पर्यंत मामलेदार, कलेक्टर, रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टर हेचे पर्यंत आमी आवाज पावया. आमी शेतकार म्हणून आवाज उठोवपाक जावं बाबा हेच कमिटी कित्याक परत परत शेताचेर रावता. हे कमिटीक शेतकारांचें बरें चिंतपाक जाय काय कमिटीचेर रावनूच ते चलोवपाक जाय. आमी शेतकऱ्यांनी जाप विचारपाची गरज शेतकऱ्यांक कमिटीक.
करमळी चड शेतां आसा, 4 खाजनां आसा. धाडो कुवा, कातूर, नांगोणजो, सावट अशीं 4 खाजनां आसा. 2 खाजनां बरीं आसा. आजून तिंका कांय खावपी ना, कांय ना. तरी आसतना 10 वर्सां जालीं ही शेतां हे कमिटी मेंबर आहा ते रोवंक दिना. 10 वर्सां जालीं हीच कमिटी परत परत इलेक्ट जावन येता. तेजे फाटलें कारण म्हटल्यार एक 500 फॅमिलीचे मेंबर कमिटीक मामलेदाराक आनी तलाटीक धरून तेंची चॅनल लिस्टान नांवां घातल्या. आनी प्रत्येक इलेक्शनाक तेच मेजॉरिटी दाखयता आनी तेच इलेक्ट जावन येता. तांकां इलेक्ट केलें म्हणून कांय ना. प्रत्येकाक रायट आसता इलेक्ट जावपाक. बरें काम केलें जालें तेंच्यांनी. पूण 10 वर्सां जालीं ही शेतां बुडोवन आसा. 10 वर्सां ह्या शेतांनी खारें उदक बुडोवन आसा. तरी आसतना मामलेदार परत परत तांकां इलेक्ट करून दिता. आतां ह्या वर्सा 70 लाखां ऑप्शन गेली. अशी 10 वर्सांचे कितके तरी कोटीच जाले. इतके कोटी ते फक्त कमिटी मेंबर मामलेदाराक खावयता आनी ते खाता. अजून पासून एका सुद्दां शेतकाराक 5 पैसे दिले ना.
It is Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The COVID-19 active cases are on the verge of decline in India, but daily cases are rapidly rising along with COVID-19 deaths. In the last 24 hours, more than 73,000 cases and 900 deaths were reported. The total cases have crossed 69.79 lakhs.
A single day jump of 73,272 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In last 24 hours, 926 deaths were reported and 82,753 patients have recovered. India has reported 69,79,423 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and the active cases have crossed 8.83 lakh mark. 1,07,416 deaths are reported and 59,88,822 patients have recovered. Here are 5 worst state coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 15.6 lakh mark of COVID-19 cases, followed by Andhra Pradesh 7.44 lakh, Karnataka 6.90 lakh, Tamil Nadu 6.46 lakh and UP 4.30 lakh. More than 3 lakh cases were reported worldwide in single day. The global cases have reached 3.71 crore, 10.72 lakh deaths are reported, and 2.79 crore have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 74.71 lakh cases, followed by second worst hit nation India, 69.79 lakh cases, Brazil 50.57 lakh cases, Russia 12.72 lakh cases, and Colombia with 8.94 lakh cases. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
South Goa MP Francisco Sardin said that the people of Goa are opposing the 3 projects that the BJP is trying to bring to Goa. He said the state government should first take Goans into confidence before proceeding with the projects.
He said Goans oppose doubling of South-Western Railway tracks to transport coal, nationalization of rivers and 4-laning of highways passing through the state. He appealed to the Chief Minister to make developments in the interest of Goans.
Last Sunday, going to a court, they called on me and they have given me a memorandum. But they highlighted many factors which were not known to me as it is known to me now. They are totally opposing the 3 projects that are sort of BJP is trying to bring to the state of Goa. First is doubling of South-Western Railway tracks from Kesulok to Vasco da Gama. Well, we all know that they'll be cutting so many trees from the forest, sort of destroying flora and fauna. But then, if you really go deep into this, why they want to do this double tracking?
The South Goa MP said the Murbugam Port Trust is only interested in earning money and is not concerned about people's welfare.
But acquisition of land and all these things have to be done by the state. And here, MP, now I am MP in the opposition. Many a time, a MP from the opposition is a voice in the wilderness. 4-lane, आमचे sanctuaryंतल्यान वचपाक सगळें डिस्ट्रॉय करून फ्लोरा एंड फॉना ते आमकां नाका. रिव्हरांनी जेटीज बांदपाचे आसात, 1-2 कडेन बांदलेले आसात. हे पोल्युशन जे आसा हे आमगेले हिंटरलँड हे वतल्या देखून हांव लोकांक उलो मारता. ह्यो जेन्ना जेटीज बेटीज ह्यो जेन्ना एका कंस्ट्रक्ट करपाक येतात, तुम्ही दोड उगड्यात. हांव आमच्या सरकाराक उलो मारता. You have to take up with Government of India. All these agencies we want, but recruitment for the class 4, 3 posts, they have to be done in Goa. ह्यो सगळ्यो वस्तू जे लोक तुझे दोड्या मुखार, लोदरे मुखार हाडून कोत्तात, don't punish them.
Sandeep Tuenkar for Goa 365 from Margaon.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and subscribe our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV. Or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa365.